Severe weather statement.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:15 p.m. for northeastern Wabash County. At 2:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Carmel, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Carmel. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:15 p.m. for the following county: Wabash, Illinois.
It's my first severe weather statement, actually.